Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI. Here you can go and type Hygen AI. This one is the website that lets you create a video using latest AI model. Here you can go and create a free account by clicking on sign up button. Click here sign up with Google and let me select my Google account. And here we need to add a prompt to create a video. Here you can see a few options. Here we can select the time. Let me select 15 seconds and then portrait landscape. Let me select this one, landscape. Now let's go back at GPT. Create a prompt to create a 5-second video ad for flying taxi. Company name is Blue Air. Press enter. And now here you can see a professional prompt is ready. Now we can copy this exact prompt and then add here. You can also type without a prompt, but I think this is more professional. Then click here. Now it has started thinking and it can take few minutes to create a video, so let's wait. So guys, now here you can see video ad is ready. Now we can play it.
Introducing Blue Air, gliding above the city. Blue Air, fly the future. Introducing.
Okay, that's great. You can also create video for the landscape. Let me type it. I need a video in landscape and press enter. And here let me type 16:9. So let me go back and check if there is option. Okay, now let's type again yes. So guys, here you can see a professional video ad is ready. You can save this ad in your laptop and you can also share it with your friends. So now let me play this
Introducing
video.
Blue Air, the future of urban travel.
Okay, that's perfect.